You see this? If A, B and C are all different, so they are saying that A is not equal to B is not equal to C, A is not equal to B, B is not equal to C, like that. So no two ABC are not equal. Okay. Then solve the system of equations. They are giving us three equations. Okay. So they are non-homogeneous linear equations, right? So let's apply how to do it with Cramer's rule, right? So first of all, I'm trying to find out the delta. So delta equal to, I'm just writing the quotients in form of a matrix. Then I got this. This is delta, right? So after finding out delta, see, how did I get this? We have already solved it many times. The determinant, the value of this one is a minus b into b minus c into c minus a. We solved it many times for till now. If you forgot it, you can do it again. Apply just the column transformations, make this 0, and you can find it out. It is direct. Okay. And then after that, find out delta 1. So what is delta 1? In place of the first column, we are supposed to replace it with 1k k square. So 1k k square. Now it is same as this one, except that in place of a there is k. Therefore, in the value of determinant, in place of a you can place k. Got it? And similarly, delta 2 is nothing but replacing the second column with 1k k square. And again, how to get the determinant? It is same as this one, except that in place of b there is k. Therefore, just in place of b substitute k. And again, delta 3 is nothing but replacing the third column with 1k k square. Again, in place of c there is k. So just replace k there. Alright? Okay. And after solving it, it is clear that x, y, z, you can directly write them as delta 1 by delta, delta 2 by delta, and this, right? So this is the answer. So I mean, you have to just write the term, substitute it here, and that is how we solve it. See, first of all, one more thing here. Before proceeding to delta 1, delta 2, delta 3, you have to make sure that delta is not equal to 0. So how is this one not equal to 0? Because they have already given that A, B and C are all different. So since they are all different, there is no way this one is going to be 0. The only way this expression is going to be 0 is when A equal to B or B equal to C or C equal to A. So just to avoid that, they have already given that all these three are different. When all these three are different, it is definitely not equal to 0. So since that is not equal to 0, we can apply this divided by delta divided by delta. Got it? Okay.
Hi, if you are planning to do masters, then doing masters abroad is better than doing masters in India. I'll give you all the reasons. So, first reason is, out of 1 lakh students who take GATE every year, there are only 500 seats in old IITs. So all the IITs put together have an acceptance rate of 0.5%, and universities better than IITs, they have very good acceptance rate like 30%, 40%, but all the IITs put together have an acceptance rate of 0.5%. And if you are working hard to get into IIT Bombay's ranking is 177 and IIT Roorkee's ranking is 400. If you are happy to get into IIT Roorkee, then getting into universities better than IIT Roorkee is easier compared to getting into IIT Roorkee. And looking at the salaries for computer science, for software jobs, if you have done your masters in computer science in US, the salaries are ranging from 80 lakhs per year to 1.2 crore per year. So even if you take an average of 1 crore per year, your savings will be much higher than the salaries in India. After taxes and your cost of living, you can easily save 40 to 50 lakhs per year. And in India, the maximum jobs that you get is around 30 lakhs. So your savings will be much greater than the salaries in India. And these are all the services that we provide. University shortlisting. So depending on your profile, we will shortlist what are the universities that you have to apply, and statement of purpose building, and then LOR guidance, and GRE and English test assistance, and education loan assistance. So you don't have to have any collateral, which means without any security, now you can get education loan. Getting education loan is very simple these days, and whatever the amount of fee that you have a range of universities. You can apply for 10 lakh universities, 20 lakh universities or 50 lakh universities, but whatever it is, you are going to get complete education loan, and you can pay off your education loan in 1 year after you get a job. And then we do visa assistance, mock visa interviews, and then connecting with the university alumni. So now you might ask why we should join Game of Visas. So the answer is we have 90% success rate, 99% success rate. And these are all the destinations that we guide the students to. So we guide students to any country that you want to go. So now it is not just USA. We guide to UK, Germany, Australia, Canada. So we guide students to all the countries. We work with all the destinations. And if you are interested in going abroad, you have to just drop us a message on this WhatsApp number 9494 555 454. Okay, thank you.